slash LA area TikTok car meet. Right now I'm just having some Starbucks. I'm trying my best to vlog this because it's kind of like a once in a, not lifetime, but like once in a while opportunity. So yeah.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, we're at the Airbnb and I clearly suck at vlogging, but it's 4 a.m. right now. I got here around like 9:30ish, but I didn't get to the Airbnb until like 10. Anyways, I'm with Trav here.
We're dead tired. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. We're waiting for a nap, and Jared is coming because we're the real friends.
I'm not gonna lie, I fell asleep, but like I stayed out here. It's the thought that matters. So I'm picking up the rental tomorrow and I'm low-key excited. I'll have like a normal rental, right? But like I'm also renting a special car for tomorrow's meet.
And she's gonna let me drive it.
I never said that. Oh, and peek this shirt in for Bible. Thanks, David. Ah, you hear that ribbing? You hear that ribbing? Oh my God, what's up? Ah!
What is going on, bro?
Hi, everyone is vlogging.
Good morning.
Good morning. Cool. So this is the living area calm situation, right?
Oh, so you're gonna give us a tour?
I'll give y'all a tour. This is like one of the best parts. Is like this back area. How big this back area is. Like look at all that.
It sounds like kind of burnt outside.
Oh, there is a fire pit. I didn't realize that. Everyone's just meeting each other. It's all good, you know. It is what it is. And then basically everyone's sleeping, but like all the rooms are back here.
We in the building. You know what I'm saying?
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to bed now. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, good morning. It is the next day. I'm out here with Trav. We're getting ready.
Soon after.
The next day, we got everyone waking up, ready to go. Okay, but we don't want to wake them up. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God! Shayna! Hey, so I'm with Shayna because she wanted to get coffee. All right, Shayna, what'd you get?
I got the lavender frutia.
Okay, and I got, I think it was called the Hawaiian Host. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, yeah.
Doing so I'm gonna do something stuff, you know, but I just got guys to be like chilling.
So we're picking up the second car. I just picked up the Lexus back there. You can't see, you see Shayna. But anyways, at the Supra, I'm gonna meet Overdue. I know Angie already, but we're gonna meet like the owner of Overdue. It's gonna be freaking lit, litty titty. Actually, I might get censored for that.
Later.
Cheers! Hey, say hi for the vlog.
How's it going?
Hello, I'm here with Overdue, and I'm gonna rent their car. So, we got the Supra. Ah, I'm so excited. So pretty, so sexy. I like this interior because like, it's not full leather seats. It's nice, and I don't know, like I really like the vibe. So I'm gonna head to the car wash now. All right guys, I want you to know how this sounds. Oh, so sexy, sexy. We love it. All right guys, we out here cleaning our cars. We got the Supra ready and everyone's just washing their cars, getting ready for the meet and the cruise going up here to LA. Alright guys, so we are out here at the Chevron and we're gonna get a fill up for gas and then we'll start cruising again. No, I'm kidding. Alright, these gas prices compared to Virginia is ridiculous. Alright, the man, the myth, the legend, Chino Carson.
What's up?
We're heading to Anaheim. I'm so stoked. We're just gonna cruise out, vibe out, you know, all that.
Vlogception. What's going on? What's going on?
Is the Duma guy? Duma. So we are downtown Disney and we're finally trying to find some food.
Moments later.
Okay guys, what's up? We are at, oh shit, hi. There's Brandon about to freaking run me over. We have people rolling up to the meet right now as we speak. All right, we got Randy. What's up, Donna? What's up, what's up? Literally, everyone's starting to pull up right now. Here's Shayna, hi. We got Keith. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we got the same, whatever you call it. Yeah, whatever drink you got it. I got the Jade. We got the same one. Oh my God. Half of this 5-hour energy. We'll see. Who drinks 5-hour energy? Anyways, y'all are starting to pull up. So far it's a good turnout, but now Jared's standing on his car, so we don't know what's happening. Love it. We love the publicity.
Oh no, he dropped his phone. Welcome.
Welcome over. This is a vlogception. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. At Sean TFS.
Okay. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Don't follow this loser. Who the heck is this loser?
Wow.
That's crazy.
Me? Loser?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Where's your car at?
Where's my car at?
Where's your car at?
Right there. I got the super race. Hey, listen.
Where's the pink car?
Where's the pink car? All the way in Virginia, you know?
You couldn't drive it out here?
It's expensive to ship it out from East Coast to the West Coast. You think I have $2 grand just chilling in my bank account?
Yes.
Just to drop? Just to like show up for a meet for one night?
Yes.
You're
You're a baller. Look at that. Look at the fit. And you rented the Supra?
Hey, SC300 gang, okay. SC300 gang, what's up, dog? Oh my gosh, is that Devon? Oh my God, hi, nice to finally meet you. Imagine just carrying car parts
I know.
to the meet. Who just does that? That's crazy, dog. Oh, welcome to my vlog.
Are we recording right now?
Yes, we're recording right now.
What's up, vlog?
This is Alex and this is Andy. Wow, you're like actually, how tall are you?
I'm 6'4".
You're 6'4"?
You got a better
Hopefully
view.
a whole foot taller than me. You guys are so sick. That's awesome. What is happening here?
I got the fresh, crispy, delicious. Always
Dude, that's amazing.
fresh, always crispy, bakery made, not made at home.
Seven 59 a.m.
So good morning. So I didn't finish the vlog last night because after that burnout I started freaking out. Plus I had to return the rental as well. So I just kind of drove home and never finished the vlog. I think today is gonna be a chill day. Everyone's just making content. Go check it out. Yeah, let's go check it out. TikTok creator hype house. What is happening, dog? What the? Oh my God.
Đồ má màu hồng áo thế sao? Đồ má mày giàu chắc một kha bộ phai bồ hết hả? Đồ má xịn á. Đồ má sao mày cái xe thấp quá vậy? Đồ má cây gớm ông luôn. Đồ má xe này xe nào? Số tài.
Hey guys, we just filmed content and now we're gonna head to the Lethal Car Show. I'm here with Nat S2K and I'm riding in their S2K for the first time. Crazy. That's crazy. Damn. God dang it. That works, that actually works, yeah. You got it, you got it! Yeah.
We wanted to.
We're like 3 minutes away. We're VIP. Yeah, we're cool like that. Okay guys, we're here at the Lethal Culture Summer Show, and we're in VIP, dog. We're in freaking VIP, which is lit. Yeah, you remember your first time? What's your first time in VIP? Never. Get out of here.
Now this is VIP treatment.
So this is Lethal's car show.
We don't want to get trapped in
Alright, look who I ran into.
Whoa!
Whoa, that's crazy!
Y'all both gonna go on 3.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back in the VIP room, and all the other content creators right now, they are part of the judging, and they're starting to judge all the cars. We're gonna start judging on the other cars. I'm gonna take a look. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, okay. Thank you. You didn't say thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, I got it.
We're coming out. Oh, you guys moved out. Get up here. We got Jay. No, man.
Dang it, I missed it.
1, 2, 3.
Duma! That car show is over, and we're gonna head back to San Diego.
Hey, start the car.
Yeah, okay, I did. Thank you.
Put your foot on the brake.
Well, it's starting now. Look at the attitude. Okay guys, what's up? We are back at the Airbnb. Basically, I'll follow up when I can. We about to go out, so.
We're gonna go get lit.
Yeah, basically.
The next morning.
We just checked out of the Airbnb, and everyone else is about to say sayonara. We already did said some goodbyes to people who are in the Bay. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, so I didn't get to vlog much today, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. I am with Nat and everyone else, Jarek, Tyler. I'm gonna make an outro. Go ahead and like, subscribe, follow the YouTube channel and my TikTok, Instagram, links down below. Go ahead and follow Nat, Tyler, and Jarek here. Hopefully next year? Question mark? Question mark? None of this, not even this trip would happen if you guys haven't supported me throughout the time, even them. So go ahead, keep hitting those buttons.